I'm not using stiletto long to getting is a couple the designs, I mean the swatching from the iHold Light Gel Art. And this is the gorgeous. I have to say it's gorgeous. I cannot wait to swatch it with you. Got so many requests for this one and it looks so gorgeous in person. When we're done with this, we are definitely gonna have to turn off the lights and then turn the, I'm not sure if this is the right side that I'm doing. I think probably. So stiletto longs, and I select number 3. And we need 6 of these tips. So this is going to be great for you to swatching as a sample. But if you are using it for gel extensions, it's perfect because glitz tips, as so many times I share with you, when you bend it vertical, horizontal is not going to make a marks at all. So therefore, it gonna stay on your client's nail for weeks to come, and you can sit back and ensure that their client's nail is gonna last so long, and also it's so flexible they can wear and then rebalance it as they grow, the nails growing out. But today we're gonna use it for cute swatch. I probably need 6 of them because there are 6 colors total. And I will unboxing this. Alright, so we have, this is 2 of the colors that I did swatch it before. This is gold, and this the green one is so gorgeous. So it's iHold Light Art, and the tips I'm using is stiletto long. So let's cut. I don't want to cut the box. I'm going to cut on the edges. Hello, good afternoon, Dom. How are you? And happy Wednesday. I can't believe it's Wednesday already. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hello, Michelle. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hello, Instagram fam, Facebook fam, YouTube fam. And this is not only when you're using it as a light art, but also, to me, personally, I really like it using as a gel polish, be honest. Because the consistency is perfect. It's not too like hard to polish it. And also, it's not too like transparent. It's not too watery. So it's perfect for you if you're using it, if you want to use it as the application. And then in the box, it has 6 different beautiful colors. This one is that I just push. And also, there are 6 different colors and an extra of the, I think it's a brush, just in case that, you know, the brush is getting a little bit rude. But then I did have the videos before that we did live videos, and it shows how to able to recover your brush, your brushes, your bristles if it's getting curls and it doesn't listen to you. So I think it's just in 2 of this is have, I mean 2 is included in the box. So let's open the first one. And you can use as a line, but I want to swatch it all and tie the nail so then that way you can see it. But first thing first, if you want to use it as a gel polish, make sure you do the same, follows the step as your primers and then the base coat. I'm going to do it with you so that way here the primer. Hello, Robin. How are you? Happy Wednesday. Thanks so much for tuning in. And welcome to Glitz Live. So air dry. I'm going to do like 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I have 7 of them. But maybe I should do 8. 1, 2, 3. 1 more so we can do like maybe 4 nail design. Number 3. Primer. And we're gonna let it air dry. So we're gonna swatch 6 colors. Then we're gonna swatch another 4, which is we have 2 already. And we pick 2 more color. Then we can do some designs. I have some crystal designs and some easy. It's really like under than 5 minutes that you can create. It's really instant, beautiful designs for your busy schedule, whether you're doing it for your nails or you're doing it for your clients. I'm gonna move it here just a second. Apply the base iHold base gels on all of them. So if you're swatching for your sample, you can add the primers and then top coat, which is just lasts so much better on the tip. If you're doing your nails exactly the same, you're doing prep the dry manicure, push back the cuticles, apply the primers, let it air dries, and then apply the base gels. Set here for 10 to 30 seconds, and then you can apply your gel polish. But in this videos, we are going to using the colors from the light art, the illuminating light art. Okay, here for 10 to 30 seconds. Hope everyone having a fabulous Wednesday. Thin coat. So that is the gold, and it's so gorgeous. It looks so gorgeous in person. I know some of us have this from Glitz collection, and you see in a person is so sparkle. Come with the brush. The bristle is really precisely. I'm gonna do all swatching all and tie the nails, but you can use it for your line, and then you can use it for the French look. The French gonna look so gorgeous. I think I can even like getting on one coat because of the consistency. Oh, so gorgeous. Okay, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. When you are polishing whole and tie the nails, if you don't want to use the stripe brush like this, you can definitely drop couple drop on the plate, and then using your bigger brush for the gel brush, you can using your tinted brush, or you can using your brush single brush number 10 or number 7, a flat brush, or is the dual end spatula Velvetty and Builder Gel brush. You can use that as well. So, or you can use directly from this straight brush. And you can do 2 coat if you want to. 1 coat here. Looks really impressed. I love it. The red. Hello Wanda, thanks so much for tuning in. Hi Glitz fam. Give it a good shake. This is the red. It looks like it's so plain, the colors on the label, and but in person, if you're looking for really good red, you don't have to layer anything. Even though that you have holo red, which is the bigger chunks like a particle. Oh, you can't hear me. Give me 1 second. How can I able to adjusting it? Robin, sorry, on YouTube and Facebook you have a little bit of technical difficulty. this color is so gorgeous. Going in and out. Rubbing is feel weird though because they are running a little bit, few seconds behind. So I don't know how that happens on in YouTube end. I feel like it go like few seconds behind than other. All right, here is the blue. So this is the blue. I love this. It's like kind of a midnight blue. It's really easy, just in case you are doing it with the brush, the strap brush like this. Only you need to keep it parallel with the nail surface, and then you can able to have it up lines on the nails, nice and easy. This is the green, that's the one we just see it earlier, and I love this. Hey, thanks so much, YouTube fam. Thanks so much for your patience. We're able to adjusting it in shortly. In the meantime, we'll also do it on Instagram and Facebook. And there on the platform, it's look like it's okay. Everybody can hear it's okay. We don't know why it's a TikTok, YouTube have a little bit technical difficulty. We're gonna figure it out shortly. Go ahead and clear. Next one is pink. Give it a good shake. And this is pink. I love this. And it's disco flash gel, so when you have turned the flashlight on, it's so sparkle. So enough in Toya. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. So the first color we have here is gold, silver. Put the red down here, red, blue, green and pink. If you want another coat, absolutely, you can add another coat if you would like to. Let me turn the lights on and see how it is. Turn the lights off, I mean. I still have a screen in front of me. Here you go for TikTok, fam, Instagram, and YouTube. This is just only one coat. You can do more than it's just one coat. You can do 2 coat. And get a ticket. The pink is so gorgeous. It's really gorgeous in person. That is the gold. That is silver. This is red. That is blue. And this is green. I love it. 6 colors and with precisely bristles. So you can draw French as you prefer. Let me see if I can do this design. I have 2 of the nails here. What I'm going to do is to getting a really thin coat. But this is just one coat, okay? You can definitely do another coat as you prefer.